Here are some of the most common Edexcel inequalities questions. Do you know how to tackle this one that is a quadratic inequality? So solving a quadratic inequality is very similar to solving just a normal quadratic equation. Normally we can use factorizing. So just imagine for now that it is just a normal equation and we'll deal with the inequality at the end. So I would probably factorize this. You could technically use the quadratic formula if you prefer, it doesn't really matter. However you like to solve your quadratics. Now that I've factorized it, I need to solve it. So you should get x is a half or -2. We obviously get two answers because it is a quadratic. This will be 2 out of 3 marks. Your final mark will obviously be for converting it back into an inequality. Quadratic inequalities will only ever have 2 types of formats for the answers. Either you will have a range where x is between the two numbers, or you will have 2 separate inequalities where x is less than the smallest number or greater than the biggest number. These are the only 2 possible formats. Now, you might just choose to memorize which one is which. If the symbol faces towards the quadratic, it means the 2 separate answers, the 2 separate inequalities. If the symbol faces towards the 0 and away from your quadratic, it means a range. You might just want to memorize that. So in this case, our answer is these 2 here. We've got x is less than -2, which is the smallest value, and x is greater than a half, which is the biggest value. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.